Hello everybody, this is Joerobinett, and I'm shocked right now. Look, Joerobinett. Look. Just look at his profile, everybody. Look at his profile, everybody. Look. I was looking at his profile, and look. He did the fan art of me. It's bad. Like, literally, he is not good at drawing. Not good. Not good at drawing. Just look at the drawing. It's not even good. He just did a recopy. Look, if you look at his fan art, he did a fan art of me, Tyler Games, Chica Lady, Artist Girl 77, and Boy Blam. Look, they're all the same. It's not even good. Anyways, Joerobinett, I must say, you suck at drawing, and I think you need to go to art class. Hold on, let me say this for example. Look! New The Oswald Movies is better than you at drawing. I must say, New The Oswald Movies did a good job doing my OC. Thank you, New The Oswald Movie. You're actually a pretty good vector creator. Anyways, like, New The Oswald Movies is better than you, Joerobinett. He does better drawings of us. Anyways, I hope you do a better job drawing, Joerobinett, because New The Oswald Movies is very good at doing vector models out of all of us. He did a good job on me, I must say. But Joerobinett, you need to go to art class. That's all what I have to say. And you need to make better fan art, because look! Look what you did! Look at it! Look at... This is very cringy, Joerobinett. Look, you didn't even color in the spots that were missing. And look at my bow tie. It's all blank. It's supposed to be yellow, and the L's supposed to be orange. Well, anyways, if Joerobinett ever did fan arts of you, please do a rant video about it, because he sucks at drawing. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Alright. Wait. He also did a drawing of Tiashtin. Well, anyways, guys, like, he needs better skills of drawing, because these drawings are cringy. Well, anyways, guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.